Fall 3, Cooking Lesson, Chapter, Where Fabric Meets Flavor. Cut 1, in a retro kitchen, the All-Stars welcome the uncles, aprons tied and ready to begin cooking. Cut 2, the school-issued leotard gently guides an uncle's hand on the knife, showing how to cut vegetables. Cut 3, the rhythmic gymnastics leotard explains how to place kombu into the pot, step by step. Cut 4, with calm care, the PE leotard adjusts an uncle's posture as he works at the cutting board. Cut 5, the school swimsuit demonstrates the right strength, helping the uncle use the mortar and pestle. Cut 6, the competition swimsuit explains the timing of dissolving miso into the fragrant broth. Cut 7, together they gather around the steaming pot, smiling as the aroma fills the air. Cut 8, an uncle cracks an egg as the All-Stars gently guide his hands to shape it well. Cut 9, the dish is plated with care, while the All-Stars applaud the uncle's efforts. Cut 10, at the wooden table, everyone sits together, smiling proudly over the finished meal.